On Wednesday, Tesla CEO Elon Musk took aim at Bill Gates, a billionaire philanthropist, following a report that said Gates had spent millions of dollars defending Musk's $44 billion bid to acquire Twitter. Additionally, he recently declined a tweet in which he claimed that Bill Gates, a millionaire from Microsoft, had bet $500 million on Tesla's stock. Musk asked Gates in a confirmed and publicly available text message exchange whether he was still shorting the stock. According to Gates, he was, and he wished to discuss charitable giving with Musk. Why was the world's wealthiest man triggered by Gates' actions? To find out, continue watching. Breitbart News, a conservative news outlet, reports that 11 of the 26 groups who signed an open letter last month urging Twitter advertisers to pull their money out of the firm if Elon Musk restores free speech on the network received hundreds of millions of dollars, reportedly from the Gates Foundation. Citing research and analysis by the Foundation for Freedom Online, the study examined public filings to trace hundreds of millions of dollars in contributions from the letter signatories to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Musk was not pleased about this since it would hurt his investment, particularly because he had sold a lot of Tesla shares to complete the deal. Many, including Gates, were concerned that Musk's takeover of Twitter might have a negative impact on the microblogging service. Earlier this month, over 26 NGOs and activist groups urged Twitter advertisers to pull their ads if Musk decides to change the platform's content moderation policies. Billionaire philanthropist George Soros is associated with or provides funding to a few of these groups. Bill Clinton and Barack Obama, the group said, and it was later discovered in a message to marketers. The acquisition of Twitter by Elon Musk would further contaminate our information ecology and endanger the public, especially the most vulnerable and oppressed members of society. Twitter, which includes your brand, runs the danger of becoming an information sewer under his leadership. At a time when faith in government and the media is already at an all-time low, we are poisoning our information ecology. Even Musk's rationale for utilizing Twitter and his efforts to advance free expression have been called into question by Gates. Those in charge of social media sites, he says, should do their jobs and make sure the truth gets out. And it's bad when people trash the tool that may save so many lives. Although the billionaire from Microsoft and the tycoon from Tesla and SpaceX have never had a particularly cordial relationship, tensions have been rising in the previous 12 to 18 months. Elon Musk and Bill Gates seem to be at odds, but why? From challenging Vladimir Putin to a single combat to creating provocative memes, the 50-year-old American billionaire constantly manages to stir up controversy with his tweets. Leaked texts appear to show that Elon Musk and Bill Gates engaged in a vicious verbal battle. Musk is upset with Gates for a number of reasons, one of which is that the former CEO of Microsoft tried to sell $500 million worth of Tesla shares short, which might have led to a precipitous decline in the price of Tesla's stock. Bill Gates is a powerful person, so this came as a bit of a surprise, but billionaires betting against Tesla is nothing new. Even though rumors circulated that Gates had purchased Tesla shares, he never confirmed the rumor. He found that strange because Gates had been so effusive in his praise of the Tesla brand and Elon Musk's brilliance. It's a major step toward proving that electric cars help mitigate climate change, and that removing carbon from the air is becoming more difficult. I think he should be pleased with himself for it. The co-founder of Microsoft claims that Musk has an incredible track record from his stint as CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, two companies he has previously founded. According to Gates, Musk has accomplished an excellent job of assembling a stellar group of engineers at those firms. A few days ago, though, he discussed his position more openly with Bloomberg, virtually acknowledging that he had been shorting the stock. Musk still wouldn't meet with Gates to discuss the prospect of philanthropy, even after Gates admitted he hadn't closed his short position in Tesla. In response to Bill Gates, Musk said that he has a significant short position in Tesla, the firm leading the fight against climate change, thus he can't be serious about his climate change charity. I completely agree with you on this. As the leading electric vehicle manufacturer, Tesla has put a lot of resources into not just reaching its goals, but also showing that a lot of things that were thought to be impossible can actually be achieved. As a result of Tesla's success, Several car companies are considering joining the electric vehicle market and making the switch, which is great news for the planet. Although Elon Musk has denied that Gates has ever disregarded electric vehicles, like the Tesla Semi, the charge has been made on multiple occasions. If you sell a security for free and then buy it back at a lower price, what are the drawbacks? The basic idea behind short selling or shorting is to buy securities at a discount and subsequently repurchase them at a higher price, either to earn a profit or a loss. There are valid worries about the short length of Gates. As an industry trailblazer in the shift to electric vehicles, Tesla's energy division was the first to market with solutions for homes and businesses. No one who claims to be concerned about climate change or the environment can justify putting sustainability at a low position on the stock market. Considering the creation of the storage and solar regeneration projects by the company, it seems like Elon Musk has good reason to be hesitant, especially considering the size of the Gates. The CEO of Tesla and SpaceX claims that Gates' bet against Tesla is now worth up to $2 billion. Gates' bill is, the short bets on Tesla are bad for Elon Musk, since big short sales by famous people like Bill Gates will surely generate market panic and future stock price drops. The reason behind Musk's action could have been his belief that Gates was trying to exert control over him by shorting Tesla shares. After that, on Sunday, Elon Musk claimed in a brief, cryptic tweet that he was moving on, setting off a social media frenzy of curiosity. After that, Musk said that he was referring to his Twitter feuds with Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft and a billionaire. No public statement has been made by Gates in reaction to Musk's claims. People suing Tesla is nothing new, as we stated before. Financial analytics and technology company S3 Partners claims that the electric vehicle manufacturer has been shorting investors' most prized targets and riskiest bets since 2010. Bettors who did not back Tesla saw a loss of $52 billion from 2017 to 2021. If you look at data from 2010, you'll see that the actual amount is closer to $57 billion. Among domestic short positions that have performed poorly over the past decade or more, Igor Duzhnisky singled out Tesla. Michael Burry, a famous investor, allegedly spent over $500 million against Tesla and was one of the company's top short sellers. Using options to short Tesla stock is no longer being done by Michael Burry's Sign Asset Management. He maintains his negative outlook on the stock. Musk addressed the delicate situation in a tweet, explaining that he was planning to use Tesla Incorporated stock to finance the acquisition of Twitter. Then, Burry sided with short sellers who said that Tesla's stock could fall 80 to 90% due to the present situation. Many investors seem to be adjusting their short stock holdings in an effort to mitigate losses as Tesla is making headlines for all the right reasons. Even now, Jim Chanos of Kinnikos Associates, another famous short seller, remains short on Tesla. Now, though, with the help of put options. This is a common tactic used by short sellers who are required to cover their stock positions instead of actively shorting the company. A short position in Tesla was initiated by Chanos in 2016. After his firm's Tesla holdings were public in May 2016, Chanos announced, "We transformed our stock investment into a put position." The stock has soared more than 1,800% since then. Much to Chanos' dismay, Tesla was short. Significant decline. He spoke about how difficult it was to be short Tesla in an interview. Two of the wealthiest persons in the world, Musk and Gates, have a history of open feuds over issues such as electric vehicles, COVID-19, and the colonization of Mars. Their perspectives and beliefs seem to be at odds with one another. The fact that Gates is betting against Tesla is hardly surprising. However, looking back, it seems that betting against Elon Musk might not have been the best move. Do you have an opinion on the billionaire's feud? Please leave a comment.